Hello and welcome to Layout. In this tutorial I'll go through the basics of creating a design. Let's start by looking at the art space. The first thing you'll need to do is create a free account, or if you're an existing Print Together member, log in with your email address and a reference number. Down the left hand side are all the main tools and resources. This is where you can add new designs, you can store your materials, you can use free templates, as well as photos, illustrations, adding text, shapes, lines, icons, and setting up your document. Let's get started with the new document. Go to New, select Greeting Cards, Greeting Card, A5 to A6, single-sided. And I'll give it a title. And now let's go to Templates. And let's select the first one, which is a portrait with a logo. Now let's insert our own image. If you click on the image, highlights it, click Replace Image, upload new image, and find your images on the desktop. With the image selected, you'll notice the toolbar also appears. This allows you to do a range of things to the image. For this tutorial, I'm going to crop. So select Crop. I'm going to increase the size of the image within the frame, and I'm going to move it up so that all the lemon shows. Now I can save crop, or I can simply click out of the art box to crop the image within the frame. Before we go any further, let's save the document. Click Save, give it a title, and click Save. This will save your design into My Stuff and My Designs. It's a good idea to save regularly. While we're working on the image, let's have a quick look at guidelines and bleed. If you select guides, this will show you the guides for this template, as well as the bleed area. With printing, you need to extend any areas that go all the way to the edge into the bleed area. This template has already done it for you. We also, for greeting cards, recommend having the image go just left of center, so that when you score, you have a little bit of the image in the score line and onto the back of the card. Hide guides, this shows you again what the card will look like once trimmed. Next, let's add our logo. Select Insert Logo, again replace logo, and upload your new logo. This will add your logo to the My Stuff, and it'll replace it in spot. You can now manipulate the image, make it bigger and smaller, and move it to where you'd like it. Switch guides back on, you can check and make sure it's centered. You can also, at any point, add your logo to a new design simply by clicking it from My Stuff. Now let's look at text. If you select the first text box, you'll notice that the toolbar changes to the text tools. The main items you'll use are Format to change the font, color, as well as alignment. You can also edit text by simply clicking the Edit Text or by double-clicking the text. Remember to save regularly as you go. Once you're happy with your design and you want to create new ones in the same style, you can simply copy the design to create a second page. You can then replace the image and replace the details as required. Click Save one last time. Then you can use the Download tool to download as a press-ready PDF with bleed and crop lines, or you can send it straight to print with Export to Print, which will send it to Print Together. That brings us to the end of this tutorial of how to create a simple greeting card in Layout Creator.